What's wrong with this thing? I'm having so many problems. I got all kinds of stuff saved on here. What am I gonna do? Who threw that? What's that?
The IST Club helps students with their technology problems at Tech Hour on Fridays. Feel free to stop by.
IST Tech Hour, huh?
A few moments later.
Not again. My computer keeps getting this blue screen. I got so much of my important projects on this computer. What am I gonna do?
Hi, what's the problem?
I keep getting this blue screen. I don't know what's wrong with it, but is there any way you can fix it, Chris?
Be able to fix that. 1 second. Okay, let's see what you have. Oh, okay, a blue screen. Oh, it's fixed now.
It's fixed. You did it. Thanks, Chris.
I am Chris Maloney, and I am the founder of IST Tech Hour. Here at Tech Hour, I am able to fix software problems, networking problems, broken phones, cracked screens, and also your malfunctioning hardware components. Tech Hour happens every Friday during Comment Hour, but best of all, it is free to all students and faculty. So stop in every Friday for all your tech needs.
Let me know if it's...
Yeah. Okay, this is bad.